Good afternoon, everyone. Today, the 17th day of July 2025, day Thursday, batch 2024 to 27, Department QTK, academic session 2025 to 26. I am Sania from IHM Gwalior. I am student of 3rd semester, 2nd year. Today we prepared Gujarati menu and its characteristics and features are, it includes, it is a liquid food, it is used to cook other food items, it includes OGG, onion, garlic, ginger, spices, coloring agent, moisture, oil and fat. So let's have a look and let's start the tasting. So this is salad and we have as our appetizer and soup sarki. So Vivek, will you please tell
Yes,
about?
I will explain this. Namaste everyone. I am Vivek Pal, the student of IHM Gwalior, 2nd year. Today we prepared this sarki. It's a very famous dish of Gujarat, and we made this by using a lot of ingredients, where we use vegetables, and at the last we garnish it with salt and black pepper powder. Ma'am, could you please taste it?
So it's a little tangy. I can taste onion, cucumber, and little sour, and it is good.
Thank you.
Now let's move to another one, brown rice. Santosh, will you please explain it?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Santosh Navadia. Today we have made Gujarati menu. We have made brown rice. Please taste yours.
You should also taste. I can taste the sweet flavor because of that caramelizing onion and sugar, and it will go good with dal. So we'll move to the next one, Gujarati dal. Rishabh, will you please explain it?
Sure.
Namaskar viewers, my name is Rishabh Rathod. I am student of 2nd semester. I am of IHM Gwalior. Today we prepared Gujarati dal. So let's taste. It's sweet and soft. In the tempering we used mustard seeds, curry leaves, ginger, and I can also feel the aroma of tea. So this is very delicious.
So let's next move to the Salli Murg. So Tushar, will you please explain it?
Namaste everyone, my name is Tushar Singh. I am 3rd semester student of IHM Gwalior. So today we have another Gujarati menu in which we made a Salli Murg, me and Sanika. So as you can see, it looks so delicious and tempting in nature. So first of all, the word means Salli, in which we have cut the juliennes of potato. So let's taste it first. So it's totally fry in nature and a little bit crispy. And if I talk about the murg, so we have used red gravy, which is made by the most important ingredient is basically tomato puree in this gravy. And let's test the gravy again. So this is the basically. So the taste of the gravy is also good. The consistency is basically nice, and the spice is also there. Salt also is enough for the taste. So totally, we made this thing very easily, and we put our maximum efforts. So Sanika, you also taste it, please.
It is spicy and delicious. So let's move to the next one, Methi Thepla. Shyamveer, will you please explain it?
Good morning, sir. My name is Sami Sundarpur.
today we have Gujarati menu in which we made methi thepla. Please taste it.
I can taste the methi and it's a little bit it's tasty. It's too tasty. I made it good. So let's move to the next one, Shrikhand. Varun, please will you explain it?
Good afternoon everyone, myself Varun Syare. I am prepared Srikhand, the most important ingredient curd. Hang the curd 2 and 3 hours and put out इसको बाउल में डालकर शुगर पाउडर एंड मिक्स. थैंक यू. टेस्ट.
It's tangy and a little bit sweet, and I can taste the pista too because of that garnishing, and it's tasty.
So friends, you have seen today's episode. This is the 17th of July 2025 and Thursday. This is Group D of 3-year BSc HHA program, and they are going to pass out after another 1.5 years. They have learned many things. Today we have taught them the nutritious part of the food making and the various other aspects like what is the definition of the gravy, how do you classify the gravy, what is the formula of gravy making, and what is the importance of the formula in gravy making. Everybody likes the color, but we teach our students that the unnatural color, that is a synthetic color, is very much injurious to health. It directly hurts your body parts, it directly makes you sick, but many times what happens, the time when you get sick properly, that particular time period and the moment when you are eating it, that particular time period that like enlarges for longer time period, and after you cross the age of 40, 41, 42, you start having the negative effect of such like unnatural things. I call it like synthetic materials. So it is my request to each and everybody that try to use always the organic food items, try to use always the natural food items, and whenever you go to the market, you please pick the fresh vegetables and try to avoid the frozen food items and the vegetables, because in the frozen food items the tendency of gas formation that increases very much. But yes, frozen food is also very much needed. What happens when we have the problems at home, it's very difficult to like purchase the food from outside. During that time you rely upon the frozen food, but if you are making the frozen food, you have to also follow the various like cooking rules, like how to prepare the frozen food. We teach one more term in this particular like aspect, that is called reshuffling. Reshuffling is the reheating of the food. So how do you reshuffle the food? How do you reheat the food before redistributing the food items after taking from the fridge? These all are included in the like vast syllabus of 3-year BSc HHA Hotel Management program. So friends, those who are simply thinking to do nothing or something other than hotel management, I will tell them that this is the right time if you were like somewhere around 18 plus. But yes, one more thing is there. Government of India has removed the age of age restriction from this particular course. So if you are planning to make this particular field as your future career, so please come to hotel management. You will really learn many things. Like whenever you have the food outside, you never assess yourself that how much quantity of the food you should take in. There is a capacity to your body. One particular Indian adult, he or she cannot consume or should not consume more than 250 grams to 300 grams of the food. The moment you consume it, you can do it, but the thing is, the biological activity of your body will be disturbed, and that will increase the problem of obesity. And if you are undernutritious, again there will be various problems. So in the second year kitchen, we teach them the nutrition food preparation, the commercial food preparation, the traditional food preparation, the religious food preparation, the transport catering, food preparation. The more I talk, the more it is less. So I request everybody to visit IHM Gwalior in our website address www.ihmgwalior.org, and I am Bankim Johar, the head of the department and of food production and F&B service. My phone number is 9203301440. You can contact any officer in the hotel management. They will help you out to get the admission, friends. So please visit IHM Gwalior. We assure you that you will really like the course. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good day.